What is up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Today is a Wednesday, and we have started our day with this. You guys might know, is a 3D printer's filament. This material is basically ASA, and this is PLA. PLA is like the most used filament there is, and ASA is a bit tricky. So वो 3D printer में थोड़ा problem आ रहा था. So I told Tanish, bro, I'm ordering a new filament, and it has arrived today. भाई 2 हफ्ते पहले मैंने order किया था ये, and अभी आया. So we'll just set it up, and then we'll get straight to printing. We've got the scissors with the package. Just we're gonna take it slowly. Also, I'll have to search how to properly set up this filament, because like there are certain steps कैसे करते हैं, because the filament has to go all the way from here into this. तो उसको अपने कैसे करते हैं, सेटअप करते हैं. So we'll search upon that, or just ask Tanish, bro, whatever. Alright boys, we have unloaded the current filament. We have kept it over here. Now it's time to load the new filament. Filament अंदर तक जा चुका है, and now we just gotta press load. अब ये हीट हो चुका है. Push new filament. Please feed the filament there. It cannot be finished. Continue. अब देखते हैं ये क्या करेगा. Moments of anticipation. क्या करेंगे, अपने जाएंगे बैम्बू वाले ऐप में. We'll search for poop bin. सर्च करेंगे poop holder A1 mini. I think this is good. यहाँ पे अपने prepare to print दबाएंगे. We have selected the print job and we have sent it to the printer. अभी ये download करेगा सब चीज़. Now see, we can see it over here as well. Boys, it has started. The first layer is looking good. We are 7% there almost. I just hope this sticks, bro. I just hope. What is up? So it is after 2 hours and 19 minutes, and this is what we have come up with. A lot of I don't know why this happened. I'll have to probably do a quick Claude search. This is how it has come. मतलब अंदर में तो मतलब बहुत सारे streaks हैं. For some reason I have to figure out why this happened. After much filing, ये 3D print actually टूट भी गया था one part, so I've stuck it with Fevikwik right now, but I think Claude says that it's because of the nozzle. उसमें कोई debris या कुछ अटक गया, इसलिए इतना सारा वो निकल रहा है. या probably I have to clean it. So we'll check that. But for now, I think it's functional. It's like not aesthetically pretty, but it's functional. So that's what it matters. अभी Fevikwik से मैंने जोड़ भी दिया है, so we'll just put it to use then. Today is our recovery day at the gym. So we are headed to the gym. We're gonna be doing contrast bath. Basically, we're gonna be doing cold plunge and then sauna. बहुत गांड फटने वाली है, but let's do it. Excited with it. Alright boys, we have made it. This is the cold plunge and this is the sauna. First we're gonna take a dip over here, then do 3 minutes of sauna, 3 to 4 minutes of sauna, 5 minutes of sauna, and then 3 minutes of cold plunge. 3 sets. Sauna done. Now we're gonna be going in there for 3 minutes, bro. Cold plunge is the worst, bro. My fingers felt so numb. I couldn't even like दर्द हो रहा था. तो it was इतना तक. My trainer said to do it for 3 minutes. I could barely do 2 minutes, bro. Wow. Feeling really nice. Did 3 cold plunge and sauna में 4 बार था. बाकी now it's time to take a shower and go back home. It was first cold plunge was really, second and third it was much better. I could do around 3.5-4 minutes. Wow, you guys must be thinking ये क्या है भाई ये सब, but my grandmother just came in and dropped these bangers. This is apparently a Mintola camera. This was a spy camera back in 1958 type shit, bruh. And like it has manual exposure settings and everything, and like you have to roll the film over here. इसमें थोड़ा मेहनत है. And look at this, bruh. Like proper vintage camera, like see through from here. Guess who's back? Back again.
Walk पे ले me.
Guys, we are going on a walk because it had been long since we explored the streets on foot.
Literally isn't, you know.
Like अब we'll go there एकदम full मज़ा करेंगे अपने यहाँ से चलते चलते. एक टाइम था जब अपने पहली बार like when we started to drive एकदम नया तब this was our go to spot की रेड रोड में एक गेड़ी तो मार के ही जाएंगे भाई. अब अपने आ गए हैं भाई रेड रोड को क्रॉस करके कनेक्टिंग रोड टू पार्क स्ट्रीट. यहाँ पे भाई बहुत गंदा सीन हुआ था एक बार मेरे पास. यहाँ पे सारा छक्का पड़ गया था मेरे पीछे. I had to fucking run. That was peak COVID times. I had gone for a walk and मैं उस रोड से जा रहा था and इस रोड पे एक छक्का था. वो आई कांटेक्ट हुआ और फिर वो क्रॉस करने लगी. So I started to walk थोड़ा तेज़. फिर उसके बाद वो फिर पीछे पड़ गई. Then I ran, bro. Like I ran. That is what we were saying. We were discussing me and Lee कि इस रास्ता से नहीं आएंगे. But अभी अपने क्रॉस करके इधर ही जा रहे हैं. And plus I have Lee with me. So I think I'm in safe hands.
It's called misogyny.
Hello.
Sexism.
इसके वजह से अपने को मेंस रूम में जगह नहीं मिला भाई. मेंस रूम पूरा खाली था and because of
Who
one.
invited me, bruh?
What are your thoughts, bruh? Not cool. Fuck you. Fuck you.
Ass, bro. Please do not try this. Taco Bell scenes, cause we didn't get place anywhere.
After a very disappointing dinner at Taco Bell, we are now headed to Naturals for some redemption. बहुत ही पेट दुखने टाइप्स लग रहा है भाई. अब कल ही पता चलेगा क्या सीन है ब्रो. बट not worth it at all. I thought Taco Bell would be better, would be way better, but apparently not. Bruh.
Hi, bolo, hi. Bolo ice cream do.
Guess who's back?
Back again.
Let's go guys. आज मेरे को पता है चेस्ट ट्रैप कैसे डालना है. सो आज बहुत अच्छा POV शॉट्स आएंगे. Can't wait for you all to see it. Let's go. Let's go. आज मैंने स्ट्रॉबेरी लॉलीपॉप नहीं खाया unfortunately guys. God. Bye bye.
तो करेगा ही। बोलेगा ना अभी guys we've decided to play half court right now because we're just 8 people.
I won't let him play in score to कर लेगा. He's going to lose this game 100%. We have reverted back to our original place. We are playing full court now. 50-44. इन लोगों को इससे दुनिया को मतलब नहीं है. हम ये करते हैं, हम बॉल लेके ऐसे रख ऐसे खड़ा है. हम
We lost again.
प्लेयर को.
But close game.
अरे यार